Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can detect Shopify app, and I will check Mr. Beast Store that how many apps he is using. So let's open the app detector website. So this is shopiscan.app. I will attach the link in the description. So here is the app detector website of Shopify, and let's copy the URL of Mr. Beast Store and come here, then paste it here. Let's click on analyze. So here you can see the Shopify themes details. So if I scroll down, this is the website title, then theme names. You can click on the theme names to get the theme, view demo, or download it now. And this is the theme image here, and here is the apps details. So the Mr. Beast website using total 31 apps and tools. So this website shopscan.app has been detected total 31 apps and tools on this website. So let's see what app he's using. So the first one is the Judge Me. So this is the product reviews app, then InstaFeed for Instagram feed, and this is Clavio. This is email and social campaigns. So then here you can see Rebuy. So this is very strong app of Shopify for post purchase especially, and back in stock post script. This is for SMS marketing, geolocation, and then route, and this is add to cart button, accessibility apps, and this is the pigtail, and then we can see the push owl, Amazon Prime, Redo, TikTok, parcel panel. This is the AI set, Stumpet reviews, and the military discounts apps. We can also see a site charts here, and parcel tracking for order tracking. So you can just click on any app you need it will take you to that app page. Also check the analytics. So he's using Hotjar, Metapixel, Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, Snapchat, Twitter. And let's see the payment gateway: PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Shopify payments. So you can easily detect any Shopify website themes and apps with ShopScan.app within a few seconds. You can also grab the offer, Shopify $1 offer from here. So that's it. Thank you for watching.